In this video, I will be talking about two of the basic limit laws, the sum law and the constant multiple law. Before I get into these limit laws, I just like to remind everyone that when x approaches c, a certain value, the limit of a constant is equal to the constant. The sum law is the limit of f of x plus g of x when x approaches to c, which is equal to the limit of f of x plus the limit of g of x when x approaches c. This basic limit law allows us to split up the limit into separate sections. The constant multiple law is when the limit of a constant multiplied by a function when x approaches c is equal to the constant multiplied by the limit of f of x when x approaches c. We will be using these two laws to do the next few examples. This example says to find the limit of 3x to the power of 4 minus 2x to the power of 3 plus 4x when x approaches negative 1. The sum law allows us to break down this limit into the limit 3x to the power of 4 minus limit of 2x to the power of 3 plus the limit of 4x when x approaches negative 1. Using the constant multiple law, we can take out each of these constants. So the 3 here comes out front, so it becomes 3, the limit of x to the power of 4. Here, the 2 comes out front, so minus 2 limit of x to the power of 3. And here, the 4 comes in front, so plus 4 limit of x when x still approaches negative 1. After this step, we can then plug in negative 1 for x. And when we do that, we can see that as x approaches negative 1, the limit for this function is 1. The sum and constant multiple law come in very handy when dealing with more difficult problems. Another example says to find the limit of 3x plus 4 when x approaches 0.2. Again here, our first step is to use the sum law to break this function down into the limit of 3x plus the limit of 4 as x approaches 0.2. There is a constant here, 3, so using the constant multiple law, we can take the 3 out front. Now to find the limit of 3 limit x as x approaches 0.2, all you have to do is plug in 0.2 for x. And the limit of a constant is equal to the constant. So the limit of 4 is equal to 4. So the limit of 3x plus 4 as x approaches 0.2 is 4.6. And that summarizes how to use sum law and the constant multiple law.